Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a video to your email using Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard and create a new campaign. Fill in all the necessary details like the campaign name and recipients. Once done, click Continue to move forward. Next, enter your subject line and preview text. These help grab your audience's attention. After that, choose the drag and drop email editor to design your email. Now, select a template that fits your layout. Once inside the editor, you'll notice that Klaviyo doesn't offer a dedicated video block, but there's an easy workaround. Drag a text block from the left-hand panel into your email layout. Then click into the block and open the source code view. Now go to your video platform like YouTube, click Share, then select Embed, and copy the HTML embed code. Back in Klaviyo, paste this embed code into the source code editor and apply the changes. Your video will now be part of your email. Use the preview button to check how everything looks and make layout or alignment adjustments if needed.